Yes, am I audible? Yes, Srivarni, am I audible? Okay, okay. So last class we were there at this is what got completed. This all got completed. Okay. So next question is about x square minus 6x minus 27 is greater than 0. Which one of the following is correct according to that? That we need to find the answer. Okay. 1 minute, Srivarni. You try. Meanwhile, I will just come back to you. Which of the following is correct? Which one is correct now? Uh, am I audible? Okay. So now try to solve this. So the options are minus 3 is less than or less than x and less than 9. Option C. Already this one is solved or what? Option C, you are giving the answer as option C. Whether it is solved or not? Doubt about this. So let me start this. It is x square minus 6x minus 27. Okay. So it is x square minus 27 means 9 threes are. Yes, sir, it is solved. Okay, okay. If it is solved, it is very good. Then we'll move on to the next question. Just check it. I think this is not completed, right? It was not solved. 9a square, 9a minus a square is less than or equal to 17a plus 15 holds. Okay, try this. Now we'll try to solve this. Just try to rearrange these terms. That is minus a square and it is plus 9a plus 9a 9a square, sorry, it is minus a square plus 9a means what it is, we have rearranged the terms. So after rearranging, again here you can write it normal, that is 17a plus 15. This is the normal way. So then it is shift the RHS part to LHS, that is 9a plus 17a minus 15. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is treated as plus 15. So now, because if you turn this sign into the minus, then it will become plus. So it is 9, it is a square it is a minus a square plus 26a plus 15 is is less than or equal to 0. Is that clear? So now it is. Sorry, it is my mistake. 1 minute. It is my mistake. Okay. When I was taking the sign, I have to rearrange everything when I taken the minus. So 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So here it is minus a square. I will change the sign. It is minus to plus. I will make minus 9a is less than or equal to minus 17a minus 15. So now you can bring the RHS term to the LHS side. So that is a square minus 9a plus 17a minus 17a will become plus 17a plus 15 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now it is a square minus, it is plus 8a plus 15 is equal to 0. So a square, 3 5s are 15. So it is a 3a plus 5a plus 15. Make into two groups. So we will get that is a into a plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into bracket a plus 3. So what are the two roots we will get? That is, these are all. That is a plus 3 and in another bracket it is a plus 5 is greater than 0, is greater than or equal to 0. So if we take that, you will get the answer what? It is the answer is option 4 more than 1, which is above, means more than 1 because solutions will be more. Is that clear? So just write it down this. After writing, please reply with a message so that I can move for the next one. Next one. The next one, it is a square minus b square is equal to 88, comma, a minus b is equal to 4. Then find the value of a and b. Try to solve this. I will give 1 minute time for you. Find the value of a and b. The option 1 is 88, option 2 is 2 root 26, option 3 is 117, option 4 is 22. Yeah, I gave as a homework, but whether you solved or not, I was not knowing. So I have to complete the work, that is, this problem should be solved. So use the condition a square minus b square, it is given that it is 88. A minus b, it is given that it is 4. So what is a square minus b square? Expand this. A square minus b square. It is 10th standard. It is a square minus b square means what it is? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Already we know that a minus b is given that it is 4. So substitute that. What is that? A plus b, write it as it is. A plus b, a minus b, write it as 4 directly. Clear? So now, a square minus b square is what? It is given that 88. Substitute it. So that is 88. A square minus b square is 88. So try to get the value now. So it is 88 by 4 is equal to a plus b. Why? Because a plus b into 4. So just transpose to the other side. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So a plus b is what? It is nothing but 22. Is that clear? So a plus b is 22 and a minus b is 4. Okay. Now try to equate that. That is what? A plus b plus a minus b, which is equal to 4. A plus b is what? It is 22. A plus b is 22. 22 plus a minus b is 4. Now, b and b got cancelled because plus b minus b. So 2a is 26, which implies a is how much? 26 by 2, which is equal to 13. A is equal to 13. Put the a value in a plus b. Put the a value in what? A plus b, this equation. So a plus b is equal to 22. We know that already. Okay, a plus b is what? It is 22. A plus b is 22 in the sense, already we know that a is 13. 13 plus b is what? It is 22. So b is equal to 22 minus 13, which will gives you 9 as the answer. So a is 13, b is 9. We need to find the value of ab. Ab means what? It is a into b. So that is 9 into 13. It is 117. 13 nines are 117. Option C is the correct answer. Okay? Yes, exactly. Write it down, all of you. Please write it down this. After writing this, please anyone, one or two of you reply, sir, completed. Then I can move for the next question. Lakshmi, your mic is not mute. Some other sounds I can hear here. Please mute it. Lakshmi, yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. The next question is, this is here, goes the next question. Calculate the least whole number, which when subtracted from both terms of the ratio 5 is to 6, gives the ratio less than 17 is to 22. Calculate the least whole number, when which when it is subtracted from both the terms of the ratios, 5 is to 6 gives the ratios less than 17 is to 22. Try this, 1 minute time I will give. Later on, I will start. It is given that ratio is 5 is to 6 in the beginning. And final, after the reaching the last ratio, that is final ratio should be less than 17 is to 22. Did you understood the concept or not? Calculate the least whole number which when subtracted from both the terms of the ratios means what? For example, if I treat that term as x, then 5 is to 6 in the sense it is nothing but 5 upon 6. So I need to subtract the term. What is that term? One of the whole number. We don't know that. I will treat that as x. So 5 minus x upon 6 minus x. Clear? 5 minus x upon 6 minus x. Now try this. Someone has given the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Someone is given. Five x 5 minus x upon 6 minus x. So this is what? 5 minus x upon 6 minus x, which is 17 upon 22. You can try this. So this will gives us what? 5 into 22. This gives 5 into 22 minus 22 into x. 22 into x. Is that clear? Now, 22 into 5 is how much? It will give that 110 minus 22 into x is 22x. What is this equal to? Because a must be what? It is 2. If you treat this as 210 minus 22 into a, 22 into x. So what is 22 value? 22 into x value is what? Try to solve this, we'll get the answer. This is 6, sorry, 6 into 17 minus 17x. Is that cleared? On other side. So 17 into 6 is how much? 102. Cleared? So try to solve this. Because one side cross multiplication and second side cross multiplication. 110 minus 102, which is equal to 8. Correct? And this side what? So 22x minus 17x, that will gives 5x. X is equal to 8 upon 5. So which is 1.6. Approximately, if you whole number, it is 2. So answer 3 is the correct answer. This is what the option 3. Yes, correct, correct. Lakshmi, 3 is the option. Yeah, yeah. I thought that this answer. Okay. So it is correct. Option 3 is the answer. Next one. Is everyone is taken the screen or screenshot, or are you writing? Please reply me. Is everyone completed? Okay, I will move on to the next question now. Yes, next question is here. Next question. If x is equal to 8 minus 2 root 15, then find the value of x plus 1 upon root x the whole square. The value of this we need to find, where x the value is given that 8 minus 2 root 15. Please try to solve this. Those who got the answer, please can reply. 1 minute time you have. Someone has replied for this. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay, option 2 is correct answer. One of the girl, that is Varni, has replied. Lakshmi has given that answer 2 is the correct answer. Let me check this word, Lakshmi. For 1 minute, you just wait. So now here we will take that x. It is given that what x is the value is here. Okay. So now in that 8 value, I will split it out. What I can write it as x. So x is equal to 8 value I split. What I can write? 5 plus 3. Correct? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Remaining part, write it as it is. 2 root 15. But this 5 I can write it as root of 5 the whole square. Why? Because root and square will get cancelled. Root of 3 the whole square. Because it is making the equivalent. Root and square will get cancelled. It will become 5 plus 3. It is 8 only. It is we are not disturbing the original condition. Okay. Now, because you can say that it is without disturbing its generality. Okay. Now, x is equal to, what is the meaning of this? A square plus b square minus 2ab, I think it is given. Because 5 3s are 15. Correct? Root 5 into root 3 is 15. So it is nothing but the form of a square minus b square it is. So I can write root 5 minus root 3 the whole square. Why? Because a square minus b square means what? It is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is 5, root 5, b is root 3. So it is root 5 into root 3 is root 15. Okay, now, so x is what? Root 5 and root 3. So I will take it as root of x. What is root of x? When root is inserted on one side, square root will be removed on the other side. So what it is? It is a root of 5 minus root 3. Square is got removed. It is nothing but what? Root 5 minus root 3 it is. Is that clear? Root root 5 minus root 3. So it is what? Nothing but the root of x it is. When x is root 5 minus root 3 the whole square, so root of x will be, square is removed. Just think. When the square is inserted from one side, square root will be removed from other side. It is reverse of that. Is that clear? Now next one. 1 upon, I'll take the 1 upon root x. So if I take 1 upon root x, what I can write here? So I can write that root of 5 plus root 3, root of 5 plus root of 3 divide by 2. So now according to the equation, you can substitute this. According to the equation. Why? Because 1 upon root x is required na here. Upon root x is there. So that according to the equation, I will move here. Okay. Just draw a line here and I will move to the next part. So use the equation. What the equation is? It is the equation. I will use the equation here. Now, it is what? X plus 1. So what it I can write here? It is root of 5 plus minus, it is minus, 1 minute, I will erase this and I'll write. Okay. It is root of 5 minus a root of 3 plus root of 5 plus a root of 3 divided by 2. This is what the square, because 1 upon root x is here. root of 5 plus root of 3 divided by 2 the whole square. So now you can try to solve this, you will get the answer. What is that? It is nothing but 3 root 5 minus 3 root 3 the whole square, because it is a minus b the whole square, it is now divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, you can, sorry, it is, take it as whole square. Now next, so it is root 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 2, try to square the whole square, try to it is expand it. So a minus b the whole square, you can try this, it is 45 plus a square plus b square, it is root 3. Square or square and square root will get cancelled, so it is root 3 will become 3 minus 2 root 2ab, so it is 2 into 3, it is 6 root 15, because 5 into 3 it is 15, divide by 4, divide by 4. Why? Because whole bracket I made into square. So now try to simplify this. 45 plus 3 is what? It is 48 minus 6 root 15 divided by 4. Now try to split it up. What is the common in this? 48 and 6. What is the common thing here? I will just move on to this side, because here is a lack of space is there. Please cooperate with this. So what is the, out of 48 and 6, what is the common here? It is 6 is the common. 6 sevens are 48. Is that clear? 6 sevens are 48. So 6 sevens are 48, and it is minus root 15 divided by 4. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Is that clear? Now it is 3 root 3 into bracket 7 minus root 15. Now if you take it multiplication, 3 into 7 is 21. 21 minus 3 root 15 upon 2. So 21, if you try to split it up, you will come to know that it is, the answer is going to be, it is fourth option. It is 12 minus 3 root 15 upon 2. Please try to solve this. And if you are having less time, you can take the screenshot also, it is okay. Akshay, why you are late? Akshay, see, no, write it down. After completion of this, please reply me so that we can move to the next one. Okay, next one. Is it completed? Okay, next question. The equation ax plus 9y is 1 and 9y minus x minus 1 is 0 represents the same line if a is equal to what value? Four values are given here. First one is 1, second one is minus 1, third one is 9, fourth one is none of this. Try this. What for what value of a we can get the equation will get represents the same line. We can solve by simultaneous equation also. How? It is ax plus 9y plus 1 is there, transpose to other side will become minus 1 is equal to 0. Second one is minus x, rearrange the equation, plus 9y minus 1 is 0. Now you can try this. So here it is, subtract it, it is become plus, this become minus, it becomes plus. 9y got cancelled. So it is what? Ax plus x. It is also minus 1 plus 1 got 0. It is 0. Is that cleared? So it is what? Common. Take out the common here, please. That is, x is the common. It is a plus 1 is equal to 0. Out of these two, x is common here, na? Yeah. The next one. So that I can write what? X is equal to 0 and a plus 1 is equal to 0. So a is equal to what? Minus 1. So a is satisfied here with the minus 1. Option 2 is the correct answer. Is that clear? Yes. Please write it down, all of you. After completion of writing work, please reply me. Next one. Okay, write down next one. That is, for what value of a does inequality 9a minus a square is less than or equal to 17a plus 15 holds? 1 minute time I will give you. Try this. No, 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 Varni. Sri Varni, the question is not repeated. Why? Because for what value of a it is asking, na? The question is repeated. You are saying, just let me check for 1 minute. No. Okay, 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 okay. I think the question is repeated. We'll change the question, okay? Yes. Try this. Second, next question. Try this question. It is a new one, okay? One of you given that it is option B. Option B means it is, uh, okay, okay. So it is option B you are given. Okay, let me check that. So let me start this. If 2x plus 5 is greater than 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 5, then x can take the following values. Which of the x can take which of the following values? Okay, so try to it is clearly given that it is just, you can see that it's a clearly given that 3 is clearly, it is given that it is greater than x. Okay, 3 is greater than x. Then can treat this as equation number 1. Is that clear? Because 2x plus 5 is greater than 2 plus 3x. Then 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 5. By looking at this, you can just, I will make it in detailed writing so that you will understand this, because it is not so simple work. Just I will write at this. It is 2x plus 5 is greater than 2 plus 3x. Okay, then you can check over here. It is 5 minus 2. Transpose this 2 to other side. It will become minus 2. Okay, is greater than 3x minus 2x. Correct? 2x is shifted to the, it is transposed to other side. So it is 3 is greater than 3x minus 2x, that is x. This you can treat it as equation 1. Then next one you can move, that is 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 5, 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 5. So what I can write here, you can shift it, that is 5 is transposed to other side will become plus 5 minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 2x. 2x is transposed to other side. Now it is a 2 is less than or equal to 4x minus 2x is 2x. Is that clear? 4x minus 2x is, it is. Now 2 is shifted to other side, what will become? 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is less than or equal to x, which implies 1 is less than or equal to x. Cleared? So it is, you can treat it as equation number 2. So here equation 1 says that 3 is greater than x, and equation 2 says that 1 is less than or equal to x. Means what? From this equation, what we can say? X is either 1 or 2. So here 1 is not the option, but 2 is option is present. So option 2, that answer 2 is the correct answer. Is that clear? Option D is wrong, man. It is Lakshmi is given answer. Option D is wrong. That is minus 4 is wrong. 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Please, after completion of this, reply me so that I can move to the next one. Next one. So try this. If 2 into bracket 3x plus 5 is greater than 4x minus 5, then 1 is equal to 8, that is option 1, it is 8. And option 2, it is 6. Option 3, it is -8. Option 4, it is 10. You need to find the value of x here. If 2 into bracket 3x plus 5 is greater than 4x minus 5, you need to find the value of x. Quick. So write the equation simply. It is 2 into 3x plus 5 is greater than 4x minus 5. 2 into 3 is 6x plus 10 is greater than 4x minus 5. Then 6x minus 4x. Rearrange the equation is greater than minus 5 minus 10. So it is a 2x is greater than minus 15. Correct? Minus 15. So x is what? X is greater than minus 15 by 2. X is greater than minus 15 by 2. So now 4x minus 5, which implies what? It is x, you can say. Who has given the answer? Option B. C. Warney has given the option B as answer. 6. So it is what? Next. It is 4 minus 15 by 2 minus 5. 2 into 2, 4. So 15 to the minus 30 minus 5. It is minus 35. So we can say that the value 6 is the valid answer for this. After writing this, please reply me so that we can move on to the next one. Next question, that is, okay, next question is here. You can start. If a plus b is equal to 5 and 2a minus b is equal to 4, find the relation between a and b. So option 1 is a is greater than b. Option 2 is a is less than b. Option 3 is a is equal to b. 4, 1 is no relation between a and b. So you can try this. Use, or you can write it as simultaneous equation and try to solve. I will try with the simultaneous, that is, this is A plus B is 5, 2A minus B is 4. Add this equation, B and B got cancelled, so it is 3A is 9. So A will be how much? It is 3. Substitute in any one of the equations. So I will use the first equation. A plus B is equal to 5. So 3, A is 3, B is equal to 5. B is what? 5 minus 3, it is 2. So obviously A is greater than B. Option 1 is the answer. Is that clear? Option A is the answer. Correct. Next one is, that is, next one it is question. We'll move on to the next question, last question of this class. That is, if 2 into bracket 3x minus 4 minus 2, then find the value of x. Try this. Please calculate it and give me the answer by 1 minute. I'll give 1 minute time. We can simply solve this equation. That is what? 2 into 3 is 6x minus 8 minus 2. Cleared? So what it is? 6x minus 10. Okay, 6x minus 10. We can equate this for 0. So x is equal to what? It is a 10 by 6. It is 2 3s are 2 5s are 5, 3 by 5. Option A, you are giving the answer, some of you. Option A. Let me check this. Which you can say that it is a 2x of the value is 0. X is also what it is. Only one girl is given the answer. What about remaining? So take the similar inequation for one more type, that is 4x minus 2, which is like greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. So then 2x we can treat it as what is greater than or equal to minus 2. So then x is what greater than or equal to minus 1. Why? Because 2 is transposed to other side. Minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. Can treat this. So by combining the equation, what we can get? So that is minus 1. Minus 1 is less than or equal to x. Therefore, what we can say by this, you can take x is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, students. So we'll wind up today's session at this stage, and in the next session, we'll continue with some more problems, or we'll start with a new chapter of your class 11. We'll go for the one more chapter, which one is important in the for with respect to CET. So we'll meet in the next session. Till that, keep on practicing this. Bye.